Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Okay,
Good.
guys, what you are going to discuss yesterday?
Uh, Constructor.
Constructor,
Abstract, abstract values.
constructor, guys. We discussed constructor yesterday.
Yes.
No, sir.
What is
Normal class abstract class interface.
hmm, what is the difference between normal class, abstract class, and interface, guys? Right? So last class we are completed these three things because of if you want to understand to that what guys oops principle, there is a abstract class we have to required and what guys interface, right? So guys, you people are practiced how we can create that normal class, how we can create what guys abstract class, how we can create that interface, and that object is possible to create for normal class or not, abstract class abstract class object, is it possible to create or not, interface object we can create or not. If people practice or not, guys.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay. So guys, you should, if you are not able to practice, then you can practice, guys, and gone through that what guys, what is the difference between these three classes: normal class, abstract class, interfaces? This is important, guys. What are the features available into the three classes, and what it is possible, what it is not possible in a particular class? Then you should be what, guys, right? So this is the feature is only normal class is possible, abstract class is not what possible, and interface what are the features we can implement. You already we completed, guys, yesterday, right? So some people are not able to clear that. Facing that issue means not understanding, and you people are confusion. When I'm going to teach into that normal class, at that moment you are good into that, but when go to that what guys abstract class, at that moment we are a little bit confused, and when we go to that interface, at that moment what is this, you are this kind of question it will become, guys. But it is must and should, you should be learned, guys. There is no optional, because of in real time, in real time we can use normal class interfaces. That abstract class word, guys, abstract class should be used, but that is that predefined classes is there, some predefined classes already in yes.
Can you record the videos?
Why?
After I will need out, I will see.
After
Any doubt, I will see again, sir. Video.
hmm but no, guys, actually that already I planned to share that videos, but I'm not able to planning to that sharing that videos, guys. So that is the reason we are going to explain that everything here only. If you have that questions, then you can ask here only, guys.
Okay, sir.
Right? So guys, here is that here is that important for that word, guys. In real time also we can see normal classes and interface. Abstract class we can see what, guys, we are not able to create it in rare what, guys, based on that requirement we can use to that abstract classes. But what are the possibilities is there, you should be remember it. Okay, right, guys. So we are going to discussing today what, guys, oops principle. Java can be supported what guys? Object oriented programming language guys. Oops is nothing but object oriented programming language. And Java supported how many OOPS principle is there guys? There are four types of OOPS principles is there guys. That is inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation and abstraction. Okay. How many types of OOPS principle is there guys?
Four.
Four types.
Four types.
What are those?
Inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation.
And yeah, this is the four principles supported by the Java guys, right? So guys, we can discuss about that one by one guys. It will be take almost 2 to 3 classes. 2 to 3 classes I will complete this guys. So after that OOPS principle, we will go to that string guys. After string, there is a what exception handling, and next word guys, collection framework, right? So almost 2 to 3 concept is left guys. Then that what you have to expecting that knowledge as a Java, it will be complete guys. What is the today date is guys? Today is that 16, right?
16.
Yeah, almost 1 month completed, right guys? You are joined here as a Java. I think you are 17, I think you are joined, right? Yeah. So guys, it will be take more 5 to 6 days. Almost it will be take. I will complete within 10 days, guys. Right? Yeah, all that concept basics we are completed, and we are going to that advanced level, guys. That I'm going to explaining now. That OOPS principle. OOPS principle should be complete within 3 to 4 classes, guys. Right? So we will discuss this one by one. What is inheritance? Java can be supported for types of groups principle is there guys. That is what you people can check here guys. Inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation and abstraction. Right guys. So what is inheritance? You people can check here guys. What is that inheritance definition? Inheritance is a mechanism that allows a new class, means there is a two classes required guys. What are the two classes is there? Subclass or derived class we can call as a parent class or child class guys. Two classes is required, and inherit what guys? There is a inherited properties and behavior. Properties and behavior is nothing but guys, we have here two classes, right? Super class is there and child class is there. Or else parent class is what guys? Super class and derived class, parent class or child class, both are same guys, right? If people go this definition guys, inheritance is a mechanism that allows a new class, superclass or derived class, to inherit properties and behavior of an existing class. Means there is a what guys? Superclass or a base class. We can call as a superclass and base class. Guys, inheritance can be if it promotes code reusability and establishes a relationship between classes, creating a hierarchy, guys. See here, see here, guys. Inheritance can be provided again divided into 5 types, guys. How many types are divided inheritance here, guys? 5 types. What are those? What are those, guys? Inheritance. There is a types of inheritance is nothing but first of all, what single inheritance. This is that word guys, this is the diagrammatically I'm going to give in that what are the types of inheritance is there. So I'm going to give in the diagrammatically, so you people can check here guys. This is that single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance and multi-level inheritance, what guys? Hybrid inheritance and multiple inheritance guys. How many types of inheritance guys?
5 types.
5 types of inheritance is there: single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and what guys? Hybrid and multiple inheritance guys, right? Yeah. So guys, if we want to go to the test, we can discuss one by one all the inheritance guys. You people can check here. If people can check here. See here guys. Single inheritance diagrammatically, you people little bit getting knowledge or not guys. There is a how many classes we have to require guys for that single inheritance?
One superclass, one subclass.
Yeah, there is we have to require two classes is there guys. Two classes. How I'm going to give in that diagrammatically same as like I will give that word guys. Class practical also you people can check here guys. This is that word guys. Uh Super class. You can analyze this is a super class or parent class guys. Parent class. And there is a one more class we have to require, that is the class we can call as a child class or a derived class guys. Yeah, right. This is that one java class this is that one java class guys. This is one java class, means we can take as a, this is that parent class guys. Parent class. And this is that what guys, child class. This is the child class guys. So how we can achieve to that, how we can making that relation between what guys, these two classes, how we can making to that what relation between these two classes by using guys, you people can check here, there is a relation. This is that arrow is there, right guys? That arrow can be represent as a relationship between two different class. This is the parent class guys, and this is the child class. So guys, we are going to making what relationship, we are going to making to that relationship is nothing but, how we am going to making to that relationship means, inheritance is nothing but, there is a one of the keyword is there guys. What is that keyword? Yesterday I think I shown you people. What is the keyword name? Extend keyword guys. What are the keyword name? Extends keyword. So there is a parent class is there and child class is there. If we want to make a relation between two different class, or else if we want to achieve the inheritance, how we can achieve that two inheritance is nothing but, first of all we have to two classes guys. Single, if we want to achieve that the what guys, a single inheritance, then how many classes we have to require guys? First of all we have to require two classes we required, and that is parent class we have to require and child class we have to require. What is the parent class and what are the child class? What available inside that parent class and what available inside that child class? Why you are going to making to that relation between both parent class and child class by using that what keyword guys? What keyword we are going to making that relationship between parent class and child class guys? Extends. This is that extend, by using that extend keyword we are going to making a relationship between two different class guys, right? So and why we are going to implementing to that inheritance, what is the purpose of what guys, inheritance we are going to providing to the two different class guys. Guys, you people can check here, when you are going to developing that application. So that today we are going to developing what guys, there is a what guys, here is that parent class guys. You people can check here, you people can check, this is that parent class. Parent class can contain what guys, some properties guys. And in real time onwards also, in real time scenario also, we have a parent and child. Yes or no guys? Parent and a child. Then there is a parent, every child have that parent, and every parent has to the child. Yes or no guys? So there is a parents also having to that some properties. Yes or no guys? Parent properties is nothing but what guys, they have to that properties is nothing but whatever may be, that is comes under as a land, comes under as a what guys, uh money. So each and everything comes under first of all parents they will save, right guys? Our parent have to that some properties, and after few years that property should be goes to that whom guys? Their child only, right? Or no guys? In real time scenario I'm going to speaking about that as a generally there is a child is there and parent is there guys. A parent can have to that one or two child. That parent should be have what guys? They have to that some properties, lands or money whatever. But after few years, means when that parent get that what guys, almost 50 to 60 or 70 years, after that that property should be goes to whom guys? After 50 60 years age of that parent, that property should be goes to whom?
Child.
Yeah, this is the real time scenario. It is happened or not guys? Is that
Yes, sir.
yeah, every parent or
Yes,
every
yes.
child, this is the things is happened or not nowadays, right? So that that is the concept came into that picture. What guys? There is that that concept we can call as a relationship, means single inheritance. There is a what guys? Inheritance concept. By using that inheritance concept, we can achieve that what guys? By using the inheritance concept, by using extend keyword, we can achieve that single inheritance. Guys, what we are going to achieving here? Single inheritance. Single inheritance, how I'm going to achieving that relationship guys? By using that extend keyword, right? So guys, here is that by using that extend keyword, we can in programmatically we can what guys? What are the properties content into that parent class? What are the properties available into that parent class? All the properties and all the methods we can reusability inside the child class guys. In programmatically we can reusability that parent class property, we can reusability inside that where? Inside that child class. Guys, how we can achieve that what single inheritance? If people getting or not, understanding or not, anyone can explain guys?
Yes, sir.
How we can achieve that single inheritance? How many classes are required and what are the keywords required guys? Tell me.
We require two classes, superclass and subclass. Superclass is also known as parent class and subclass is also known as child class.
Excellent.
Using the extend keyword, so parent class is nothing. Child class acquires the properties of the parent class.
Excellent guys, excellent. So this is the way we can achieve guys. How I'm going to achieve that parent plus, how I'm going to reusability of that parent plus property. I will show you it as a programmatical practicals guys. Then I will create a class here only. Means I will take a what guys? Parent class separate and child class separate. Then I will show you what guys. See here guys, this is that parent class. Public. Guys, what we discussed that last fundamental, that's again it will become guys. Again it is that concept, fundamental concept, it will become into that where in inheritance concept. It should be one more time you can what guys use it. If you are not able to understand, then you can understand here guys. Public class, I'm going to writing what guys? Class name as a parent. You can take that class name as anything what guys? Parent, which one we are going to taking? Maybe super, we can take as a super class, you can take as a parent plus, whatever you can give guys. But that should be that relationship what guys? By using that extend keyword, we can make as a relation between two separate two different class. How I'm going to providing, you people can check here guys. See, parent can content what guys? I'm going to give in what? In real time scenario, I will discussed here, guys. Parent class, parent can content what, guys? I'm going to give in here public and parent can content float floating pointer double float we need to float what how to call going to give in that property as a amount equal to 1 lakh rupees and public string properties is nothing but land. I'm going to give in as a what, guys, is that string, right? So I'm going to give in 2 acres, right, guys? So what should I to do here? What should we do here is this is the parent class properties I'm going to use in here, and I'm going to creating which class, guys? Now this is the parent properties, guys, right? You can define whatever. If you have to that any vehicle related parent can contain whatever properties is there, you can declare here, guys. If parent contain that vehicle, what are the property belongs to that our parent, that all the property should be after few years that belongs to that their child only, right, guys? That is the example I'm going to discussing here. Then you can define what are the properties your parents belong, you can define it, no problem. Okay, so that real time scenario how we can achieve, I will show you. You people can see here, guys. I'm going to create. This is that parent class, guys. This is that parent class. I'm going to creating that one more class, guys. That is public class child. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute, guys. Okay. So what we have to call here, there is a child class. Parent class is there and child class is there, guys. See here what I'm going to defining here. So I'm going to reusability, guys. I'm going to reusabilities, how I'm going to achieving, how I'm going to making that relation between two different class, guys. What are the keywords is there? This is that this is a separate class, right, guys? This is the separate class. So I need to reusability of this code inside that child only. Means what are the properties belongs to that parent, indirectly after few years that property should be come to that child class only, child, their child only, right, guys? So that is the reason what should I do, how it is going to making that, how it is going to get that properties from the parent class. There is a word, guys, how we can achieve that in a relation. Means there is a, what is the keyword is there, guys? Extends is that keyword. And from where, guys, which class we are going to extend that child class, guys? Which class property we are going to acquiring here? Parent class. Which class we are going to acquire in that property, that class we should be extend, guys, right? So I'm going to extending from where? Parent class. That is the reason I'm going to give in as a parent here, guys. Others example, there is a super class, it is act as a super class, guys. And this is that what, guys? Derived class child, this is the derived class. Then if we want to make as a relation between two the different class, we by using the extend keyword, and we can use what, guys? Instead of parent, you can write as a super class, guys, right? Why I'm going to give in that parent child means in real time we are not able to using, guys. Parent we are not able to use, super also we are not able to use, guys. But there is a based on that requirement, based on that requirement we can give that what, guys? Application name, class name we can give. Okay, this is that just your understanding purpose we are going to give in. You can what, guys, you people to get that knowledge here, parent and child, then yeah, in real time also happened like that only. That is the reason you people can get. Guys, tell me when I am going to using, when I'm going to use into that extends keyword from that parent, then that child class can contain what are the properties will be there, guys. Now what are the property available now inside that child class? Tell me. Indirectly, guys, in real time, yeah, in real time I said you right. After few years this property should goes to that word, guys, child only, right? So indirectly that child class also can contain this property or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right? So I'm not able to defining anything here, guys. I'm not able to defining anything, but indirectly is nothing but when you are going to using that extend keyword, then extend keywords from where, guys? Parent class. Means what are the parent class we are going to defining all the methods, guys. Here what method, if you are going to declare into that any type of method, guys, public void what, guys, I'm going to give in here what, uh I'm going to give in one method, guys. Here this is that m1 method. That method also, what, guys, available into that child class when we are going to using this extend keyword. Reusability, how we are going to making to that reusability is nothing but by using that extend keyword, guys. By using that extend keyword we can acquire the properties from that parent class to child class. We can acquire that properties, guys. How it is happened, guys? Now if we want to make, guys, first of all what should I to do? I'm going to creating a one what, guys, method here. I'm going to creating as a main method public static void main, and what, guys, I need to create that what, guys, object only right here. Which class object I need to create, guys? Which class object I need to create? I need to acquire the properties parent plus property inside the child class. Which class object I need to create? Parent plus parent class object or child class object, guys. That is the reason I said
Parent class objects.
child class we need to create, guys. Parent class already is there. Parent class, if you are going to creating that parent class, there it will be available inside that parent, but I need to acquire that this property inside where? Inside child only, right? So if we want to acquire, if we want to reusability this property what available into that parent, then we can create object for what, guys? Child class object we need to create. You people can check here, guys. I'm going to creating child c equal to new child. This is the way we can creating that object for that object, right, guys? This is the way we can creating that object. Then then you people, what I am going to doing here, what I'm going to doing here, you people can check here, guys. You people can check. I'm going to writing what, system dot system dot out dot println. And see, guys, I need to call that parent class properties. I need to call this amount. I need to call amount properties, guys. What should I to do? Tell me. Yeah, before that you people can check. I'm going to creating int a equal to 20, guys. I need to call these properties. What should I to do? I need to call what is the value of that a. How I need to call here?
Yes.
C dot a. What is C here, guys?
Object.
Object of child class. Yes or no, guys? Guys, you people can check when we are going to C dot a. At that moment, who will come, guys? When I am going to running this application, who will come here? Sorry,
Maybe
JVM will become. Yes or no, guys? JVM will become here, and what, guys? You people already I explained it many times. One more time I'm going to repeating it. So here is that JVM. When I'm going to running our application, at that moment JVM will become, guys. JVM will become JVM, and it will be checked to that main method. There is a main method is there or not, it will be checked. Yeah, that main method is available inside that where, guys? Inside that child class. Bro, నేను మళ్ళీ కాల్ చేస్తా బ్రో కాల్లో ఓకేనా right? So guys, when I'm going to running my application, at that moment JVM will become and JVM will be checked. There is a main method is there or not. Yeah, main method is identified inside that where, guys? Inside that child class. And after that main method, what we are going to writing that logic? What we are going to doing here, guys? We are going to, after immediate that main method, I'm going to creating that object for what, guys? Which class object I'm going to create it here? Child class object created, and I'm writing that one SOPLN statement, guys. That SOPLN statement we can call as a business logic. And see here, guys, I'm going to calling what? C dot A. First of all, it will be check what is C here. If people can check here, guys, C is a reference variable of what, guys? Child class. This is a C is a reference class of child class. Then what happened, guys? Yeah, then what, guys? JVM will be go to that C dot A. When I'm going to use into that C dot A means C is a child what, guys? Class. Child class is there. Then directly it will be go to that where, guys? Child class only. It will be go to that child class, right? And inside the child class it will be identified. JVM will be identified. There is a what, guys? There is a variable is there or not, it will be identified. A variable is available or not, guys, inside that child class, right? So that inside the child class there is a variable is there. That variable will be having to that 20 value. That is the reason it will be print what, guys? That value will be printing as a 20, right, guys? See here see here I'm going to calling what, guys? One more SOPLN statement. System dot out dot println of c dot what, guys? C dot I'm going to calling as a amount. I'm going to calling C dot amount. Now tell me, guys, how it is going to checking JVM, how it is going to checking? Tell me, guys, anyone. When I'm going to execution my application, at that moment JVM will be check that main method. After that main method, what, guys? What we are going to doing that line by line, it will be checked. First line creating that object. Second line we are going to writing what, guys? SOPLN statement. It will be called what I explained previously. But coming to that next line, guys. Coming to that next line, what happened? I'm going to writing what, guys? One more SOPLN statement. C dot amount. C dot amount is nothing but what is C here, guys? Tell me. What is C here?
Reference variable.
Yeah, reference variable of what? Child class only. Reference variable of that child class. Then what happened, guys? this is that reference variable. It will be goes to that child class directly. It will be go to that child class only, and it will be identified. There is a amount is that variable. It will be checked. It will be maybe available. That JVM will be checked into that current class only. But that amount variable available inside that child class, guys.
Yes, sir.
No, right? We are not able to defining here that child as amount as a property inside the child class. Guys, you people can concentrate here. I'm not defining that amount variable inside that child class, guys. And but that JVM will become and check into that amount variable inside that child class only. But child class it's not able to identify. It's not there. It is not available inside the child class. Then that JVM immediately it will be checked. Hey, inside the child class that amount is not available, right? Then the JVM what it will be do, this child class having to that any extend keyword, it is extending from any other classes or not, that JVM will be checked, guys, again. After it is not able to identify that variable, at that moment JVM come and check this class extended from any other classes or not, it will be checked, guys. Then the child class extended from any other classes, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
it is
Parents
extends from that parent class. Then JV immediately go to that word, guys. It will be go to that parent class, and it will be checked. It will be checked, guys. There is a word, guys. Amount variable is there or not? It will be checked line by line, guys. There is a amount variable is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
this amount variable will be executed here. Guys, getting or not it? Parent
Yes, sir.
child relationship, you people are clear or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like that, it will be checked, guys. When you are going to using to that extends keyword, then JVM will be checked first of all into that current class. That properties is not available into that child class, then it will be checked into that word, guys. Where it is going to extends that parent class, it will be checked. This is that single inheritance, guys. Single, how we can achieve that single inheritance? First of all, we need to create two separate class. Parent class we can call as a parent class and child class. We can define few properties in parent class, and we can define few properties in child class. If we want to make a achieve that inheritance, then we can use to that what keyword, guys? Extend keyword. And we need to creating that word, guys. Which class object we should create? Parent class object or child class object?
Child class also.
Yeah, we should be create word, guys. Child class object. If we create to that parent class object, then what happened, guys? It will be, it's not a what, guys, inheritance. We are not able to call it is a inheritance. If we want to achieve that parent class inheritance concept, you should be extend that keyword, and you should be create a object for that child class only. Then we can call as a this is a single inheritance. Clear, right, guys? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
guys, this is that important. Based on this single inheritance, there is a hierarchical inheritance is there, guys, and multi-level inheritance also is there. Same as like this only, guys. If you are not able to understand that single inheritance, then that what, guys, multi-level inheritance and hierarchical inheritance is not able to understand. This single inheritance understanding or not, please let me know. If not understand, please ask me here only.
Trust answer.
Understand, right? Okay, guys, we will go with that practical, guys. Then you people can get much knowledge here. I already we completed, guys, but we are going to using that extend keyword. Guys, here is that extends is that keyword, guys. You can go and check in where in keywords concept there is a extends is that keyword is there, guys. You can go and check. You have to test it, right? Okay. So guys, this is that new concept. That is the reason I'm going to creating one more package here, guys. Inheritance or oops, yeah, object oriented programming language. I'm going to creating one parent class, guys, first. Instead of the properties, I'm going to declaring different properties, guys. Int a equal to 10 and what, guys, int b equal to 20. Right, guys, and I'm going to creating what, guys, one method, guys, public void em1. This is that what, guys, method, right? This is that just, guys, I'm going to creating as a this is that one class, and I'm going to creating one more child class, guys. That is parent class, and I'm going to creating child class. See, guys, here I'm going to give in one more property int c equal to 30. I'm going to define in here, and if you want to create one more method, then you can create here, guys, no problem. Public void m2. I'm going to creating that m2 method here, guys, and after that I'm going to writing this is that business logic inside that where main method. This is child class m2 method, right, guys? So I'm writing that same thing into that parent also. Where is that parent? This is parent class m1 method. I'm going to give an m1 method, right? Then you people to understand, guys. Yeah, then I need to reusability. See, guys, here I'm going to creating parent class and child class. So it is that separate class, guys. So when I'm going to see here, when I'm going to use into that, I'm going to creating main method, guys. I'm going to creating that main method, and creating that object, guys. When I'm going to creating that child class object without extend keyword, then it is applicable for this class only. We are not able to call as a, this is a what, guys, inheritance. If we want to achieve that inheritance, what we have to require, guys, here, what keyword we can use here? Extends keyword, guys. You people can check here. Before creating that extend keyword, I'm going to creating that word, guys, child class object. You people can check here. Child c equal to new child, right? So this is the way we can creating that object. And what, guys, see here, I'm going to calling what, system dot out dot println of c dot sorry, c dot c, yeah, c dot c. There is a c is that child class reference variable. C is that what, guys, variable name. Yes or no, guys? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you people can check here. You people can check here, guys. I'm going to running this application. That value it will be print, guys. 30. But I need to call to that. I need to call that parent class properties, guys. What should I do? Tell me.
This will use SNP.
Extend scheme. We need to see here, guys. If I call to that, system dot out dot println and c dot what are the parent class properties there, guys? A is there, but it will be check. It will be check. It will be what, guys? Getting that what error because of that a is not defined inside that child class, and we are not able to give in, guys, any extend, right? Then you people can check here, guys. First of all, parent class can contain a property. Yeah, a is there. And see here, guys, what should I to do here? I'm going to extending this class, extend keyword, and using from where, guys? Parent. See here, guys, that error gone out. How I'm going to explaining that internal execution flow, this is working or not, guys?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah, you people can check here, guys. You people can check. I'm going to running this application that 30 and 20 that what, guys, value it is game, right? So that execution flow also I already explained, guys. It's not required, I think. Many times I explain it. So if you how to require, please let me know, guys. If not understand, please let me know. Yeah, there is a m2 method inside that child class, and there is a parent class method is there, guys. How we can call to that parent class method, guys? Tell me how I need to call that parent class method. How it is going to calling to that parent class property same as like we can call. Tell me how we need to call.
C dot.
C dot
M1.
m1. Excellent. Right, guys. So first of all, it will be check. It will be check into that current class, guys. That flow you can check. When I'm going to using c.em1 method, at that moment it will be identify what is C. C is a child class object. So it will be go to that child class first. It will be go to the child class and it will be identify that what, guys, line by line there is a m1 method is there or not. There is not able to identify that m1 method. Then JVM will be checked. There is a extend keyword is there or not. Yes, extend keyword is there and parent class. It is extended from that parent. Then immediately it is goes to that which class, guys? Parent class. It will be go and check there is a m1 method is there or not. Come into that and it will be checked, guys. There is a m1 method is there or not, guys? This is the m1 method. So this m1 method can contain some business logic. That logic will be executed, guys. I'm going to running this application. If people can check here, guys, I'm going to running this application. See this, guys. This is parent class m1 method, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then we I have a one doubt, guys, in that. Yeah. If I create what, guys? M1 method inside that where in child class, what happened? I'm going to creating M1 method from child class only. What it will be happen?
All those directories.
Sorry, what it will be happen, guys?
Just take child class M1 method.
Child class
M1 method is execute.
excellent, guys. If that class can have to that M1 method and that m1 method also having to that parent class. Then when I'm going to call into that c.m1 method, first of all that JVM will be checked into that current class only, right? Without checking to that current class, it's not able to go to that parent class, guys. If it is not available inside that parent class, then the JVM will be checked into the parent. But I'm going to doing here what, guys? C.m1 method I'm going to calling that JVM will be come and check into that which class, guys? Child class it will be check or parent class it will be go.
And plus.
Child class only, right? See here, guys, this is that I'm going to writing this m1 method, and what, guys, this is the logic. I'm changing, guys. I'm changing which class object. See, if this is that you people can read this, guys, this is parent class m1 method. I'm just adding to this messages, guys. This is child class method inside that m1 method. Which logic will be executed, you people can check here. See, guys, this is child class m1 method. Means this method is executed, it is not able to go to that parent class and it is not able to check it. Guys, how I'm going to reusability is that reusability in that code, you people getting or not? Where is it, where it is going to reusability? First of all, reusability, what is the mean of that reusability? Guys, tell me. I'm going to using that inside that parent class as a inside that parent class what? There is a addition, guys. I'm going to doing what? I'm going to what operation I'm going to doing here, guys? Addition operation I'm going to doing, right? You people can check here, guys. I'm going to doing here as a addition operation, right? So this is that what should I to do? I need to make as a int c equal to a plus b. Sir, no, guys. So I'm going to call into that c. This is that addition operation done inside the parent class or child class, guys.
Parent class.
Parent class only, right? Tomorrow, one more time I require to that. Tomorrow, one more time I require to that word, guys. Addition operation in addition operation I need to implement. Then I need to write again this business logic, guys. I need to write this code again. I'm not able, yeah, I'm not able to using that. I'm not able to what, guys? I'm not able to write that business logic again inside the child class. Already I have a business logic in parent class. That logic I can reusability in child class. That's all. See here, guys. See here. I'm going to running this application. See here, guys. That output came as a 30. Means this is that you can change, guys. This is that 40, or else you people can stop this, guys. You people can stop it. Then that what, guys? Parent class logic will be executed. Parent class logic will be executed c.ea and 30. Where what I'm going to writing in parent class. See, what is that a value here, guys? 30, 10, b value is equal to 20, c is equal to a plus b. What, guys? Addition operation I'm done, and c value I'm going to printing here, guys. So coming to that where in child class, inside that child class, what I'm going to calling what, guys? This is that c.ea is nothing but this is the variable it is going to calling. I'm not able to call that also. C.em1 method means parent class method I'm going to calling here. That logic will be executed. Guys, getting or not it? This is the way we can reusable that code, guys. Parent class code we can reusability in that child class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So guys, you people can practice it. You people can practice it. Tomorrow we can go to that all inheritance. What, guys? single inheritance we can complete. Means inheritance complete we can complete, guys. You people can go through this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you so. Yeah.
Sir, we created in parent class and child class in one package, sir. Same package.
Yes, yes. You can create as a parent class and child class in same package.
Oh, sir. If you create another class, not possible, sir.
It is possible. Why it is not possible? Possible, but we are going to making that relationship between two classes, guys. That is the reason we can make that two classes into the same class. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
Any more questions, guys? Yes. Yeah. Your voice breaking. Someone. Yeah, your voice breaking, guys. Not understanding.
You stop sharing videos in YouTube, sir. Why, sir?
Sorry.
Videos are sharing should be. Are stop sharing videos in YouTube?
What happened for you? What is the problem, guys, for you?
It is a request from our side, sir.
Ask me about videos.
Yeah.
It is a request from our side. Please make a record.
You are requesting your side. Okay, I